I think we should move on. So who have been some of your other sexual partners?
My sister, my father, my mother, my grandma, my grandpa, my dog.
I think it's time to switch gears. So I understand that a lot of girls don't like you. What do they tell you? So who was your last female partner? Well, stay away from me then. I don't want to catch it again. What sort of dating advice would you give to somebody who's looking for a female partner? Well, I'd say that's very direct. We understand you've been lifelong friends with Damon. Where did you first meet him? How old were you when you met him?
We were only 11 years old, yes it's true.
And what did you tell Damon the first time you laid eyes on him? Something we've talked about on the show a lot is how you always felt the need to protect Damon. Why is this? So before the interview, you told us that Damon was not the first man you had the hots for. Who was your first meaningful man-on-man sexual experience with?
My name is Cheese and I am a school bus driver.
It sounds like you really got around at school. Was there any other staff that you, studied with? Wait, wasn't he the creepy 70-year-old science teacher? You know, the one with no teeth?
Science rules.
I'm sure it does. Fucking freak. Now I understand that you want to hook back up with Damon, even though the last session you had together was, well, less than satisfying. What did he do that was so bad anyways? Yeah, that's pretty unforgivable. At least you're willing to give him another chance, though. Damon, on the other hand, he's completely tired of relationships. He talks about it all the time on the show. How do you feel about this? This brings us to the whole point of the interview in the first place. Apparently, Steve wants to announce he's getting some sort of, alteration done. Steve, what are you getting done? I would have never expected this. You're either really dedicated or desperate. Thanks to the magic of radio, we're going to join you for the operation. The next sound you hear is Steve's operation. Wow, Steve, I guess I can't call you that anymore, can I? They did quite a number on you. So what can we call you? Well, I'm proud to be the first to introduce all of you on No Holds Barred Radio to Psycho Stephanie. So, Stephanie, how do you feel now that you've gone through with this change?